Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge without the password. Alright, so we have two methods how we can unlock this device, and let me show you both of them. So, the first method is from the Google Find My Device, and the second one is from recovery mode. And now let's begin. Let's begin with the Find My Device method, but remember that to do it, you need to, of course, I'm going to show you that on this phone, but remember that everything that I'm showing you right now, you need to perform on other device, so have that in mind. So yeah, let's open up the browser, click on continue, click on allow. In here simply type find my device, select the first method. Now select your Galaxy S25 Edge and now select factory reset device. Thanks to that we will be able to turn off the screen lock, and yeah. But remember that all of your data will be erased permanently from your device, and after the reset, the device location will not be available in Find Hub, and if the device is offline, erasing will begin once it's online again. Also, I would tell you that please only try to unlock your device, and in no other case someone else's, because that might be considered as a crime, and that's also unethical, so have that in mind. I'm only showing you how to get access into your phone. Alright, now all you need to do is to click on next, then follow the instruction on the screen. If you do everything properly, your screen then will go black, then your device will be turned on again automatically, and next thing you need to do is to simply set up your device. Alright, now let me show you the second method, and that method, just like I have said, is through the recovery mode. To do it, remember that you need to plug in your Samsung into your PC using the USB-C cable, and now we cannot turn off this device because the phone wants us to type the pattern. So just to make sure, I'll show you that I'm telling the truth. If you want to power off, you need to type your password, and the thing is that we don't remember our password. So we need to use the two-button combination to force restart this device. Let's hold the power button and the volume down button. Let's keep on holding both of those buttons. Okay, and now we need to hold, oh, actually it didn't force restart it yet. So let's keep on holding until the device will be turned off. Okay, and now we need to hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. So let's keep on holding both of those buttons. Okay, the Samsung logo appeared. And now we are in the recovery mode, as you can see. Now to move around this menu, we use the volume keys. And we want to select wipe data / factory reset. Now confirm by clicking on the power button, and also remember that if you perform that action, all of your data will be also deleted, so you need to have that in mind. And now select factory data reset, confirm. Now you can see on the bottom that data wipe has been completed. Select reboot system now, confirm by clicking on the power button, and now just like in the previous method, the phone now will be turned on automatically, and next thing you need to do is to simply set up your device. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.